A very warm good afternoon to one and all present here. So I am Sakshi.
And I am Ankita.
We are here to give presentation on tense. So Ankita, can you tell us what is tense?
Yes, tense is used to denote the time of action. It shows when the work is done.
How many forms of tense are there?
There are three main tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. These tenses are also mainly divided into four types: simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. Sakshi, can you tell us what is past tense?
Yes, why not? So past tense is the verb form is talked to about the happened which can be happened in the past. So Sheetal, can you tell us what is present tense?
Present tense, when an action is happening right now or happening regularly. Now, Ankita, can you tell what is the future tense?
Yes, future tense is tense used to talk about the things not happened yet. Sakshi, can you tell us what is simple tense?
Why not? Simple tense is that tense which is indicate to give an action in the past which can be happened in the past. And the rule of this simple past tense is subject plus verb 2 plus object. So now Sheetal, can you tell us what is simple present tense?
Simple present tense. It is used to denote scientific facts, universal truth, and work done on daily basis. The rule of simple present tense are subject plus verb first form plus object. Now, Ankita, can you tell what is the future? What is the future simple tense?
Yes. Future simple tense is used to tell us about the actions not happened yet will be continued in the future. The formula is subject plus will, verbs first form plus object. So simple tense is over. Let's start the continuous tense.
So continuous tense. Continuous tense is used to denote an action give at the same time in the past. And the formula of simple continuous tense is subject plus verb plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Now, Sheetal, can you tell us what is present continuous tense?
It is used to show an action that started in the past and has just finished. The rule of simple continuous tense is subject plus is are plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Now, Ankita, can you tell what is the future continuous tense?
Future continuous tense is used to express and things going in the future. The formula is subject plus will be plus verbs first form plus ing plus object. Continuous tense is over. Let's start the perfect tense.
Perfect tense. Perfect tense is an action which is completed at a particular moment and a time. And the formula of simple perfect tense is subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Now, Sheila, can you tell us what is present perfect tense?
Present perfect tense. It is used to show an action that started in the past and had just finished. The rule of present perfect tenses are the subject plus has had plus verb third form plus object. Now, Ankita, can you tell what is the future perfect tense?
Of course, future perfect tense is used to express things will happen in future and will continue for some time and completed in future. The formula is subject plus will have plus verbs third form plus object. So, perfect tense is also, and it now start perfect continuous tense.
Why not? Perfect tense is that tense which is used to denote a completed moment at a time and a year ago. And the formula of past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had been plus verb plus ing plus object. Now, Sheetal, can you tell us what is present perfect continuous tense are?
Present perfect continuous tense. It is used to show the action which started in past and is still continuing. The rules of present perfect continuous tense are subject plus has had plus will plus verb plus ing plus object. Now, Ankita, can you tell what is the future perfect continuous tense?
Future perfect continuous tense are tenses used to talk about action that will happen in the future and fixed and in the future with fixed time. The formula is subject plus will plus object plus have been plus verbs first form plus ing. So this was our presentation on the topic 10. I hope you will
you all like this presentation which can be given. So thank you and have a nice day to all.